Hi, my name is Luigi Farina. I'm 71 years young. I had the misfortune to have had a stroke 5 years ago, and being hospitalized with the stroke, the stroke affected my left side of my face and severely impacted on my speech. I was in the hospital for approximately a week, and many diagnostic tests took place. And with that, I realized that the sensation on the face was coming back, but it greatly impaired my speech. The doctors at the hospital started with, by the time I finished the hospital, started with speech therapy, and my speech therapist worked on my English speaking speech. I was in therapy for over a year. I was able to get some of it back, but I had a problem finishing sentences, putting several words together. But after a year, it was somewhat improved. But the other problem was that my first language in life was Italian, and that was totally destroyed. I couldn't speak to people in Italian more than 2-3 words at a time. It was very, very choppy. But strangely enough, my educational language, which I learned in school, was Spanish. That's my third language. I mean, Spanish was not affected by the stroke. Now, doing the diagnostic test, they also found that I had occasional AFib. And to monitor that in the future, that could have caused the stroke, they put something called the loop recorder into my chest. It's a little tiny chip, and that monitors, according to the cardiologist, when I have AFib. About a year ago, I had the pleasure of coming to see Dr. Calapai, and he did a full workup. So during the year time, we worked on increasing the minerals in my body, getting the right vitamin levels, and many, many things that helped me feel better. We're also working together. We realized that the stem cell therapy might be able to help me with some of my issues. So last August, we decided to do the stem cell, and immediately, within 24 hours after doing the stem cell therapy, I realized my speech was getting better. Within 48 hours, I started talking Italian much better even, which was horrible up to the stem cell therapy part. And as of now, which is months away, my speech is much better. It's much faster, much clearer. And my Italian, I enjoy speaking to the Italian members of my family in Italian because it's greatly improved. I also had a cardiac visit last week with my cardiologist, and with that, they checked my loop recorder, and it's been almost 6 months and not have had an episode of AFib at all. Now, incidentally, part of the whole thing too is I was having a problem with double vision, which was caused by muscles in the eyes. And I had to really focus real hard to get the sight straightened out. And now, after having the stem cell therapy, the focus has become much easier. I can sort of relax a little bit, just stare for a second, and my eyes clear up. My eyesight clears up. So I'm very happy I made the decision, and hopefully it'll keep working to make my health a lot better for the future.